From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Chris Long, a student meteorologist here at the Penn State Campus Weather Service. For your forecast this morning for this game day eve, it is Friday, August 31st. Tomorrow is kickoff against Appalachian State, and at least I am very ready for the start of this season. But first of all, let's take a look at our weather for this Friday. As we take a look out at Beaver Stadium right now, whoa, what is that? Those are actually some storms that could be affecting our area pretty soon. We're sitting at 64 degrees with cloudy skies right now. However, I would not imagine that it will stay dry for very much longer, especially given kind of what we see back here. We got a 10-mile visibility this morning with some slight northeast winds, so not too much in the way to worry about there, but we will have some rain on the way. And so as we were saying, we will have a cloudy college football Saturday. We could even see some rain in the morning. However, I think we will stay fairly dry throughout the game, maybe some sprinkles. We'll get into that in a second. We could have an unsettled Labor Day weekend. And then early next week, we will see some drying out and, again, some warmer temperatures similar to what we saw this week. So if we take a look at our temperatures this morning, we're sitting in the mid-60s across central PA, 68 in Altoona, 64 here in State College, 71 in Harrisburg. And as we take a look out into the entire state of Pennsylvania, 75 in Philadelphia, 68 for us here in Pittsburgh this morning. We're even waking up to some 50s up in the northwestern quarter of Pennsylvania, 59 in Erie. But as we take a look at our radar picture this morning, here's that little cluster of storms that could be affecting us here in State College on the next couple minutes. And we saw some of those dark skies as we were looking out at Beaver Stadium this morning. So that's what this little cluster of storms is. They will continue to move up onto the northeast this morning and will affect much of northeastern Pennsylvania as we go out through the rest of the day. As we take a look at our future weather here, we can see these are some of the storms that we saw here this morning, a little bit farther to the east because this is timed out a little bit later, and those storms will move up and affect much of northeastern Pennsylvania today. We will see some pop-up storms throughout this afternoon throughout the western third of the state, and we could see some of those showers here in State College as they continue to move east. This is as we get through the overnight tonight, maybe a few scattered showers through the overnight, and then tomorrow morning as we wake up for game day, we can see there could be a couple showers affecting us here in State College in the morning, but for the most part, the rest of the state will stay mostly cloudy with maybe the sun out in Pittsburgh tomorrow morning. And then as we get toward game time, we can see some of those scattered showers will hang on. Maybe the sun will try to peek out through the game, and then as we look farther west to Pittsburgh, we could see there could be some rain affecting Pittsburgh this afternoon or tomorrow afternoon. As the Penn State game is underway. And then as we put this into, we time this out for Saturday night into Sunday morning, we can see much of the same to what we will see tonight with some scattered showers, but not a complete washout. Here's our future temperatures for this morning. We'll have a high of around 76 degrees here in State College this afternoon. A little bit cooler up to the north and east because of the rain and the cloudy skies that we'll be seeing there. Warmer off to the west with 82 as our high in Pittsburgh. And then as we put this into motion, tonight we will be cooling back down into the upper 60s, maybe even lower 70s for us here in Erie, maybe Philadelphia as well. And then for tomorrow, we'll be headed back up into the 70s. 70 degrees will be about the temperatures that we'll see as we set up the tailgates tomorrow morning. And then as we put into motion our time through the game, 77 for kickoff. We'll have maybe 80 for Du Bois, so we could see a little bit warmer as we go out farther west into Pennsylvania. 77, we are high for tomorrow afternoon in Philadelphia. And then tomorrow night, much of the same as what we see tonight. Upper 60s, maybe low 70s up in Erie, up near the warmer lake. But that will be our temperature forecast. So for today, we'll have a high of 75 degrees with some scattered showers. As we saw, we may see some heavy rain this morning as some of those storms pass through. We could even see a rumble of thunder. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. If you can see lightning or hear thunder, you are in danger of being struck. So make sure if that happens, you head inside. As we look to to tonight, we'll have the light rain continue. We could see a light southwest wind with a low near 67 degrees. And here's our game day forecast as Penn State kicks off the season tomorrow, taking on Appalachian State. For our tailgates in the morning, we'll have a high near 70 degrees with, again, some scattered showers are possible. And then as we go throughout the day, they become a little bit less likely, but we will stay mostly cloudy. High near 75 degrees for the start of the game, 74 near the end with, again, those mostly cloudy skies. And here's your 7-day